Kumno pi karteng. Say kumno pi karteng.
Kumbo ting.
Wrong. Akim. Kumno pi karteng.
Tumo ping rom ring.
Hello guys, kumno pilong paralog. Welcome back all. So we are in Uganda, Kampala, that is part of Africa. And this video is special to all the Khasi people. So today we are going to make a challenge. We are going to make Khasi speaking challenge. To say in Khasi what is your name, you have to say Kumno pi karteng. Say Kumno pi karteng.
Kumbo ting.
Wrong. Akim. Kumno pi karteng.
Tumo ping rom ring.
Guys, to be honest, Khasi is also difficult. Like I'm doing my best. Actually, I'm learning with them also. Did you forget the what?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to repeat so fast. Kumno pi karteng.
Kumno pi karten.
Again.
Kumno pi karten.
Kumno pi karteng.
Pi karten.
Okay. You are almost there, but you say karten, not ten. Karteng.
Karten.
Yes.
Not